I loved it.
Radio reminds me of my home far away. I'm driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Something better than holding mine. It's a feeling that's fine, and I just gotta say, hey. Okay, they're done. What? What did you say? Oh my god. What? You're so weird, baby. That's what.
You're so weird.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm sorry for the laundry that's going on in the background. It's a little bit loud, but today is a very exciting day. It's kind of a get ourselves together day. I'm going to be organizing our closets. We're doing laundry. We're cleaning the apartment. We're going grocery shopping for the first time to stock up the apartment. So we are going to check out some really good grocery stores. I think here the popular ones are like Marks and Spencer's, Sainsbury's, and there's also like Whole Foods here, which we also have in America, of course. So we're just gonna check out like several different grocery stores and get some food for the week. We already made our little meal plan of what we wanna make, so I'm really excited for the day. We're also gonna go to a food market for lunch, so just getting a little bit out because it's so sunny and pretty today. We just had breakfast. I made Nutella oats for us with bananas, and yeah, we are just gonna head out, do a little grocery shopping. You guys, we just got back from M&S and I loved it. It was the cutest grocery store. They had so much good stuff, so I'm gonna do a really quick haul. There's a lot of plastic packaging in the produce, which unfortunately I can't control. We did bring our own bags, like reusable grocery bags to shop with, but I'm gonna do a really quick haul of what we got. So starting over here, we got milk, orange juice, Greek yogurt, some oats. This is all kind of like things we'll have for breakfast, along with some eggs. I got vanilla extract for pancakes and any baking things I do. Butter, cream cheese, bananas, raspberries, and a new soap for our bathroom. And then we also got some smoked salmon because it was on sale, and we're gonna have this with some toast in the morning with some eggs and cream cheese. Got this beautiful loaf of white sourdough bread. So we're gonna make some paninis with this, grilled cheese, toast with cream cheese, toast with salmon and eggs, and all kinds of things. Also, we're gonna make a little bruschetta and burrata toast situation. So we got a thing of burrata, some tomatoes, and then we are also going to be making some burritos this week, like breakfast burritos and also tacos. So we got some tortillas, fajita spice mix, salsa, cheese, tomatoes we'll use for that, some peppers as well, some avocado. We're also going to be making some teriyaki lettuce wraps, so I got some veggies for that. So I got peppers, zucchini, and some beef, and then also we have 3 apples for the week. So that's our little haul. As you can see, it is literally so sunny, so we are gonna go now to a food market for lunch. So let's go. I want to get these afterwards. These are really good. Guys, we're in London still. We just had the most fun day. I mean, we went to lunch at this food hall and I got an arepa and Yulian got some chicken. It was like Korean fried chicken and it was so good. So we just walked around with one of our friends and now we are heading back to our apartment because we're gonna have our cleaning and organization afternoon. Sorry it's really windy, but we're gonna stop at the store, grab some cleaning supplies, and then clean the apartment really well. All right, guys, we are officially cleaned in here. We have completely done the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom. Our sheets and bedding are drying in there. And Yulian swept and mopped the floor. He did the bathrooms and I did the kitchen. And then we have these cute little decor pieces for our coffee table. This I brought from home, as well as this little jewelry dish. And then my boyfriend bought this room diffuser. And then here is our kitchen. It is sparkling and clean. I love it. We just have our olive oil and our salt and pepper out, as well as our hand soap, which I brought from Bath & Body Works, and then our dishwashing stuff. And then I finally organized this little storage cabinet, which is really just holding all of our kind of random things. So we have books and journals and AirPod case, lint rollers, stuff like that. And then on this level is basically our medicine cabinet. So we have all medications, some random technology stuff, all of our like cleaning Clorox wipes, wet wipes, masks, COVID tests, and things like that in here. We have our candles in here with our lighter, but 2 of our candles are burning right now. Okay, I'm really doing some uneven slices. Oh my god. Wow, that looks so good. So we just finished making dinner. I made some Thai veggie curry with potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, red pepper, and green onion. And Yulian made the pinko and black sesame seed crusted chicken. So we are super excited. Our dryer is still going on, but we are excited to eat this dinner. It looks really good, and we just have some white rice on the bottom.